What up? So, y'all know I've been away for a minute, but now I'm getting back into things. Last y'all seen from me, if y'all follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I actually scalped, right? So that was back in July. I actually did it again in August, like completely scalped again. And, you know, my plan was to actually start what I'm about to do now back in August. And so that didn't work out. So I figured it's the birthday month. Let's get it going, right? So from the end of August, you know, through September, my hair's been growing. I haven't been really brushing. I know it's gonna sound crazy based on how my hair looks right now, but no brush sessions, none of that. But I did do one thing all month, and I'll show y'all that in later videos, all right? But yo, look what your boy's working with. Like, no do-rags, none of that. No sleeping with a do-rag, none of that, right? I maybe wore a do-rag twice for the whole month of September, and it was just for fashion. Like, it matched my outfit, and so, you know, I rocked it. But outside of that, nothing, all right? Let's get this brush right here. So I want to show y'all something. Does that look like somebody who ain't been brushing like that? Right? If you'd have asked me, I would think, you know, just seeing it, you know, maybe he's been getting in some sessions. No. And I'll tell y'all what I did. I definitely did something all month that helped this happen. Like I said, I'll tell y'all. So stay tuned for that. But what I'm doing right now is not really a start over, because I already got progress going. You know, I already cut like twice. I'll try to put photos up to kind of show y'all what I'm talking about. So I'm not gonna do that again. Alright, so one thing I am gonna do is I'm gonna just cut it down a little bit. If I mess it up, then y'all get to witness me cutting it all off again and starting over, but hopefully I don't mess up. So I got my wall clippers here. So I got my one guard right here. See my one. I'm gonna use that. And I'm gonna cut down a little bit. Bruh. Bruh. Alright, we're gonna have to pick this up a little bit later. Unless it'll go plugged in. Let me see. Alright, there you go. Here, boy, back in action. Bruh. Alright. I'm gonna have to let this joint charge up for a few minutes, man. That's crazy.
RHLJ.
Let's get a decent line, a decent line.
RHLJ.
All right, that's it for that side. Doing the next side. This for the gram. Yes, sir. Boy making a comeback. And if you're wondering why I didn't cut this little peach fuzz, uneven peach fuzz, right? Got a little more over here than I got over here. I'm trying to see what I can do with this beard thing. You know what I'm saying? Your boy trying to see if he could pull it off. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know if I could. I'm trying anyway. Alright man, so that's it. That's it for this one. Catch y'all next time.